Everything's been breaking around me, so you need to stop saying that. You need to stop putting that into existence. Everything is fine around me. Manifesting things are okay. I'm an adult now. This is really exciting for me. It's the skinniest little Keurig. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and literally everything is not girly anymore. I guess we've rebranded. I'm whatever this is now. I'm whatever blue eyeshadow is now. I was feeling so risky today. I was like, I'm literally just putting this makeup on just to film this video and then go back to work. So I'm gonna take it off immediately. So I was like, let me be risky, let me do blue. I need to do blue more because I have blue eyes, so I feel like it looks cool. And also, please excuse my hair, it's a little greasy. Honestly, I just got the COVID booster yesterday. So my arm is in so much pain. But I really wanted to do a Keurig unboxing because I'm really excited about my new Keurig, and that's why we're in the kitchen area. So I was like, let me muster up the courage with one arm that doesn't work. Like it really doesn't work. But we're here. My Keurig machine broke yesterday, which is why I bought a bunch of like Starbucks things today because I don't have coffee. I'm so sad I couldn't find a mint replacement, but I've had this little mint one since high school. My sister got it to me for like my high school graduation, like the second I went to college. So it's been like 6 years, 5, 6. It lasted me 6 years. And now it's done. I did buy a new Keurig. I know this is kind of like not really my channel vibes, but like honestly, I'm an adult now. This is really exciting for me. Everything's been breaking around me, so you need to stop saying that. You need to stop putting that into existence. Everything is fine around me. Manifesting things are okay. Like my computer broke. Like my newest computer that I bought like recently. It broke and I had to go to Best Buy and they were like, yeah, it's just, we don't have an answer. It's just dead. So here's a new one. So here she is. I'm really sad that I don't have a mint one. Like I have a mint everything. Like I have a mint like air fryer. I have like mint plates. Like everything is mint in my kitchen. So I'm really sad that I couldn't find another mint one, but I did like the white. So I got this for like $115. It's like a smaller one. It's way smaller than this. So it's like a narrow one, which I figured in my like studio apartment I should have like a smaller one in general because this one barely fits on that platform. And I got it in white. The red one was like so much more expensive and I was like, why would someone get a red Keurig? I mean, I like simple colors, so maybe someone who's more fun than me would get the red one. But the red one was like $140. I was like, wow, people are really buying the red one. Got this off Amazon, so I ordered it like yesterday when my coffee machine broke. And I'm excited to see it. So it's like the skinniest little Keurig. Okay, let's get into it. Let's open it and we're obviously gonna use it in this video. I love a Keurig, but I do eventually want to get like a really fancy coffee system, like in the future when I have like a real big apartment that I share with someone. I'm gonna get like $1,000 coffee machine, like a bougie one. Oh my god, she's like bigger than I thought she would be. And ooh, she is slim. I think this is like the cheapest Keurig you could get because it's like the very thin one. I wish I had this in college because it would have saved me a lot of space. Like my Keurig was like on my table in my dorm. So this is it. Ooh, smooth. And then here are the buttons on the top. I have a little like screen on my Keurig, so it feels like I'm downgrading, but it's not. This is like a newest model. Okay, let's see the instructions. So this is really messy because she's been spilling a lot on me. She's been awful and I've been hating her. Every time I put the K-cup in, it says, there's like a message here. I don't know if you guys could read it. It says like, sorry brew interrupted, and then everything will like spill out. I'm so sad. This is such like a core memory for me in college. This is also broken, so I don't know why I still have that here. But like watch this, it's gonna be so gross. Ugh, like the K-cups won't work. She is unplugged. Taking the water out and spilling it. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this into the box that the Keurig came in. Need a sip of coffee. Let's place her. She's too long! Oh my my god, that's so annoying. I should have looked in dimensions. This is so ugly. I mean, I guess if I just don't have this bottom part, she would fit. Yeah, there's really nowhere else I could put it in my apartment, so this is quite unfortunate. Oh no, I can't even take it out. It has like a thing here. Wait, hold on. I need some time. Okay, so I hated this for the first second, right? But like, this is like the only way it fits, and there's like nowhere else in my kitchen I can do this. But then I figured out a way to make it cute, so stay with me on this. Okay, ugly, right? But I have a plant, and I could fit the plant on the side, right? So already cuter. I have a cute little milk candle, like super cute, right? So I'm gonna plop that here. And then I have all my little K-cups that I have to like actually refill. And I think I'll put them here. So that makes this like kind of cute, right? I'm not gonna lie, I don't hate it anymore. And also the instructions are so nice. They're like so bold and pretty and understandable. Just removing all the stickers, and right now I already plugged it in, so I just have to fill this with water. I'm gonna wash the little water place. Or not. Hold on, does she not get removed? Oh, does it not say remove? Oh, it does say remove the water, reservoir lid. Oh, okay. Remove the lid, then lift the reservoir straight up to remove it. Oh yeah, it should remove. Oh, there's tape. I missed a tape. My fault, guys. Ah! Oh, she removed quite easily. I'm gonna wash this, BRB. Okay, so what I like about this versus like my older one is that this is so compact that it's really easy to take out. My older Keurig was pretty big. It was really hard to take out this compartment. So here it's like really easy to take out this compartment. Okay, it's in, and I'm gonna put my little lid on. Perfect. Now, lift and lower the handle. Do not insert a K-cup pod. The brewer will power on automatically. Okay, lift and lower. The 3-cup size will blink. They're blinking. Press the 8-ounce, then the blinking brew to start a cleansing brew. I'm gonna move this temporarily just so you guys see what's going on here. So I'm gonna use this little cutie pie mug. I'm gonna cleanse it and then get back to you once we do the coffee. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick a flavor. I'm gonna pick a vanilla bean. Okay, picking her up, putting her in. Okay, so instead of being really cute, I'm using the moon / death mug. So, yup. Yay! I have coffee again. Even though like I'm not super happy that she's like this way instead of that way, it's fine. Life is life is life is life, especially in a small New York City studio apartment. Yay! There's coffee in there. Woo! I have coffee again. That's so exciting. I usually just like put the coffee in a jar and put it like in my fridge for it to be like cold the next day. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I know this is a little different from my channel, but I was excited about it. Wanted to share the excitement, wanted to do like a review and setting up process. This Keurig is very small, very nice, really easy to set up, great instructions. I recommend if you are okay with K-cup coffee. My next coffee machine will be a fancier one. I sweareth, I'm manifesting into the universe. I will have space for a fancy big coffee machine in the future. Right now, she's cute, she's minimalist, I like her. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye guys.